Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can return to the Heartopia lobby or like the home page. So, for instance, you want to switch towns or you just want to return to just the login without you exiting the game. Go to your watch and you're going to go to settings. So next to town ID, you'll see the return to login button. You're just going to select it and you're going to select return to login, and it's going to bring you back to your homepage. So you can basically switch towns, or you can, I guess, get to your own, like go in your own town. It is free if you have the membership. I think for 24 hours only though, here as you can see. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.